Hello, how are you guys doing today? Welcome back to my channel. Y'all, today I'm a little frustrated, a little salty because sorry, I'm eating too. Because I did all these thrift flips and I goes to try to I thought I was recording. I don't even know, but somehow I don't have that footage. I got bits and pieces of things, which is weird. I can't even explain what happened. I don't even know what happened. So if I can find some clips of me doing these pieces, I would try to insert it. But I don't even know, because it's like sis was just like, you know what I'm saying? And I cannot find the footage. So yeah, that's unfortunate. But I do want to show you the pieces that were flipped, that were thrift flipped. So sorry y'all, I'm eating, so should have bought my drink. Oh, did I bring my drink? I did bring it. Cookout. So yeah, the first thing that I did a little thrift flip on is this hoodie. I put this on here. I sewed that, not sewed it, but I ironed that on, and then I ironed this on, and then I did the back. Put like a little Adidas sign, and then like the little peace sign, and then on the pants, I don't know, but I put a little skull hand and this Adidas sign. So I turned it into like a little Adidas outfit, which is cute, you know. So yeah, that's that. And I did this little flip on this because it was just plain. It was just plain until I added my touch. And I decided to pair it with my Adidas socks with this little bucket hat, which is so cute. I need to get more of these because this is a whole look. Stop playing with white Adidas on with this today. I thought it was so cute. Happy and proud of this. So yeah, on to the next. It's in a haul, but this little top, I put Adidas on it to do a little thrift flip on it, and then I decided to add this to it, which turned it into a whole nother situation. You know what I'm saying? I turned this into a two-piece. It was a dress. I turned it into a two-piece, and it's a skirt. I made it into a skirt and a crop top, and it cinches. This cinches. See, it's elastic, and this cinches. I might take this in a little bit more, a little bigger than I would like it to be, and it has the pockets still, but it was a dress. It was I added the Adidas logo on it. So yeah, so yeah, I thought this would be really cute, and yeah, so I'm super excited about this piece. Like I said, I'm probably gonna take the skirt in a little bit more because it is still a little big. It's not big, but it just feels like I just need to take it in a little bit more compared to like the way it looks now and everything. So not that it's not cute, because it is, but I was thinking about adding a fabric here to kind of make like one of those belts that stretch. I was thinking about adding that around this part, like a black one, or like one that's black that has like 3 stripes like the Adidas sign, like this, around this whole part. But yes, it's so cute. So cute. This is another piece that I actually did a thrift flip on, and I kind of cut it. It was really long, and I stitch hemmed it, not stitch hemmed, but I basically did a, what is it, not a sew, but like a, I used the stitch glue on it, and I did it that way, and I did it all the way around, as you can see, and that was like a crop vest. So it's super cute. Super cute. This is so cute. I was like, when I first got it, I wasn't happy with it because I didn't like the fact that it was so long. So to have been able to kind of crop it and then make sure the ends were, see how the ends look? There's no straggly ends because I sealed them off. There's no straggly ends. Everything is seamless. So yeah, this is cute for summer. Like, shorter, because the thing was so long. It was like, it was at least to about here, so I didn't want that look. These shorts, they were super long. They were like crazy long. These shorts were probably almost to my good old knee. I cut them, and then I did the stitch. Let me actually show you guys what I used, because stitch to do it. This stuff is amazing. This is some good stuff. And I used the iron. So, and the reason why I used the iron to like make sure it was like super like stuck, like, you know, like the heat just sealed it with using this. So you don't have to use this. This is like what I did to it. I hemmed them up and turned them into like some short, like really cute shorts. But I also want to show you guys this other top that I made. This is a top I made as well. It's a Puma top, and I stitched it again. Not stitched it, I used the liquid stitch. I don't know why can't I just get it right today? But I used the liquid stitch all the way around it, and I turned it into a crop top. And this is like a cute outfit. Like, I could probably wear this together, but no, because I always plan my outfits and stuff. So yeah, this is not, I probably wouldn't wear this together, but it's cute. And this shirt was really long too. This shirt was, I probably could have turned this into a 2-piece outfit as well, but I just decided, I was like, no, I don't feel like doing that, because it was something with, no, the material was a little bit thinner, and I was like, you know, now you're probably gonna be able to see everything down there, you know, the booty and all that. We don't need those type of problems. So I just said, let me just turn it into a crop top. And I just threw the rest of the fabric away. But it is so cute, and how it came out. It came out so perfect. And I do kind of like it with these shorts, but I probably wouldn't wear them together for the simple fact that, you know, I usually, like I said, if I plan my outfit and this kind of works out together, then I will do that. But most of the time I plan out my outfits because I'm pretty precise and I know exactly what I want to go with what. So, like I said, this here is just cute. So yeah, decided to make some cow print pants. I was like, let me make some cow print pants because I wanted some, and I went to the thrift store to find some white jeans, and I found these. And you know, you can't try nothing on, so I found these. They do not fit. So it's like I did this whole process of making these cow print pants, like, and I'm so mad because I went through all of that, and they don't look right. They don't look good at all. So I did buy some more. I had to buy new ones. So this is like, this was the thrift flip that I did, but I do actually want some. So I bought some regular white pants from Walmart. They're high-waisted, so, and I know these are gonna fit. So I actually am just gonna redo them And yeah, these are my cow print pants. They actually turned out really good. They are just too small for me. And it took me a few hours, like an hour to make these pants, because you have to. And I mean, I enjoyed doing it, but I'm just so mad because they did not fit. They did not fit at all. So I'm kind of disappointed, but these are very cute and I made them. Alright, so with this piece, I turned this crop top that I showed you in my last thrift haul. I turned that black piece that I showed you that had the straps, I turned it into a Nike top. So I just thought that this was cute with these, and I added this here with the iron. And then at the bottom, yeah, I added this. So, and this is just a cute outfit together. Like, I would so rock this together. Like, stop playing. Like, I already got everything like planned. I already know the shoes I'm gonna wear and everything with this. Like, I just got the shoes. I don't even know. I think I showed them to you in the last haul. They were the white Nikes that I got for me and my daughter. But I plan on wearing those with these, with some Nike socks, or some socks with just like the black and white stripes, with the black stripes. So yeah, that's gonna be a cute little outfit situation. But I just added this here and this, and then I added the Nike sign at the bottom, and I turned it into a Nike outfit. I just thought it was cute, like just cute and like, you know what I'm saying? Just like fun, you know, great summer, cool outfit, cookout vibes, that type of stuff. So that's kind of what is going on here. And I just love the pleated skirt and everything. But like I said, these are iron-ons, y'all. These are iron-ons. So yeah, you better get you some. So yeah, this is the outfit. Super cute, super affordable. This was thrifted. This wasn't thrifted. So this is the thrift flip. But this I got from Gabe's. But it was like $3.99. So I still consider it a thrift flip because this is thrifted, and the rest of the pieces are, a lot of them are thrifted. So it's like, you know what I'm saying? That's why I call it a thrift flip. But like I said, this is just so cute. I don't know why, I just love it. It's easy to make. Like I said, you can really, a lot of things that you do or want, that you see, if you go on Pinterest and see that somebody got like this outfit on, but it's crazy expensive, try to think of ways to go to the thrift store. Try to think of ways you can recreate that outfit and not spend a crazy amount of money. Goodwill, I love it because you can always find unique pieces that you can just transform and turn to something that you just absolutely love. And that's what I like about it. I don't want to really wear what everybody else got on. If I do, I want to add a little twist to it, you know, because even with this, you can just add like a little jacket. I'm gonna show y'all. Dress this up, you know what I'm saying, and just be like, you know, period, sis. Like, y'all ain't trying to play because this too cute. Like, put your little arm in there, you know what I'm saying, like one of these oversized coats, and you know, just slay without slaying, honey. Slay without slaying. Like, stop playing with her, because she ain't got time to play. She too grown, you know what I'm saying. Tricks for kids, honey, and she too cute. Period. Now, but like I said, you can just take stuff like this, add stuff to it. You ain't got to do much. You don't have to do much. Trust, sis. Trust the process. Just go through the process and start creating. Period. The next thrift flip that I did a thrift flip on this little hoodie here. I added all of these little different little things to it. I added it on the back, added it inside the hood right here. Yeah, so I just added a bunch of different ones. And see too, I do want to say with this, I do recommend, because sometimes they might get a little loose and try to come off, but not all the time. So that's why I use the iron and the glue, and that way it's like triple sealed, you know, and they won't come off. And so that's kind of what I did here. A lot of them are like just, they're not coming off. Like if I pull them off, it's gonna ruin the outfit. But, and I have the matching pants here. This is just a cute little fit. Like I plan on rocking this outfit with these. Yeah, this is gonna be a whole little situation right here that I'm gonna get some good pictures in, and I'm gonna definitely be rocking this like on another level, because these go perfectly with this whole outfit. Like, see, I'm like, one thing, like my dress code, I dress a little girly sometimes and a little like boy-y. Look at that. And 9 times out of 10, I'll probably wear it with this. I always wear like this part of the hoodie kind of tucked under my bra if I have on one. But yeah, that's how I do it, so it can be more so of a crop situation. So yeah, this is definitely a look. I probably will add a little bit more patches to the pants. I don't know yet, but yeah, this is the outfit. So cute. Can't wait to wear it. Can't wait to wear it. So yeah, that is this. This is me. Yeah. Appreciate you guys watching this video today. Thank you for watching. And remember, if they serve you no purpose, or you know, they're not bringing anything to your life, but you're bringing everything to their life, let them go. Let him go, let her go, let them go, period. And y'all be blessed.